I don't even know where he's at. Oh my god, he's taking off. I gotta watch my life too.
You're off the corner too.
Look at him. Oh my god. Just talking about it too. Just talking. Dude, don't tighten up too much. Don't tighten up too much. I can't get too far away either. Oh my god. Dude, he 10. Here, come here. Walk closer. Walk closer. Mark my line. Here. Dude, my line's slacking too. Where's he at?
He's in here. Oh, my arm, dude. He's staying down.
Dude.
It might be a flag. It's a carp.
It's a carp.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look at the mouth. Oh my god.
I knew it, dude.
Oh my
Look
god,
at
I knew it
him.
too.
Look, dude, you gotta take a pic of that.
Oh.
You gotta get him in.
Oh, I know my arm is dead.
You gotta hold him.
I've never caught a carp, dude.
Dude.
Actually, by the mouth, too.
He's in my arm.
Oh, I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to pick him up.
Oh, his lips bleed.
Oh, I'm fucking shaking. Dude, that was a fight. Oh my god, my arm is dead.
Dude, that's
Hey,
nice.
give me a videotape real quick.
Dude, he's hog. You should probably weigh him.
You think? Nah. That's a common carp, though.
Dude, that's crazy.
It is off the worm.
Dude,
too.
he ripped that shit.
He did, dude. I was hoping it was a fat cat, dude. Now I know how good they fight, dude. Holy shit. Without a snag.